Hi. So I wanted to talk about trading TLT today around the FOMC meeting. Very volatile day with the FOMC announcement coming out and everything. One thing that really helps with day trading, swing trading, etc., is the MarketWebs using the value areas and the specially proprietary designed support and resistance lines. And TLT really shaped up to be a really nice play today off of the with the MarketWebs signals. One thing that happened, looking at a 5-minute chart, we can see a sell signal come in right here at 9:40 a.m. Eastern this morning as we broke below value for the day. With the sell signal with the market webs, you always aim for these what we call the venom lines, these target lines here. As we got down to this one, we can see that it actually acted as some support. We didn't quite tag it yet. So the stop loss would have been just above this line here as we continue to target down here. So the stop loss would have been around here, which didn't get tagged because this venom line acted as resistance. And we eventually did come down further past this point. Now, to catch this and know when to exit, we can look at TLT. Not these are the daily value areas that we're looking at, but TLT using the weekly value areas, we can see that we actually had some buy signals around noon in the middle of the day and again later in the day. So around that time, we can see it's right around this bar here that we're just after that buy signal on the weeklies. If I go up here and point to it, it's right around here that the buy signal, it's the bar that comes right after the buy signal, would have said we should exit this trade because this is going to be a buy signal now, and it would have caught the up run. But notably, if I'm looking to get back in and short it again, or even if I'm looking to get long, the target is the bottom of value. And look where we found resistance once again at the bottom of value. We even came back and tested that target line once again. Could have done the same trade twice today and even taken it up to the upside again today. So you could have, if you had bought at this line or bought when the weekly ones gave the buy signal, could have retraced to the bottom. So short from here down to this second target line or perhaps a little bit beyond, go long here to the bottom of value, short again from the bottom of value to the second target line, back up to the bottom of value. So short, long, short, long. So 4 trades in both directions, and the value area is really helping narrow those down. And again, short at the end of the day, as we go into value for tomorrow's trading day, I know that we're going to be inside of value, and if I'm short from here off this short signal, my target is going to be 117.71 for my initial exit. And then if we break below value, I might get another short signal coming in. What I'm looking at on the weekly for a little bit more of a swing trade is perhaps if we do break into that 1771 or break below value tomorrow, we're going to be in value for the week, which gives us a 80% chance that we're going to rotate down to the 115 level over the course of only 2 days. Seems ambitious, but could well happen. And I'll talk about swing trades later on, but we can see how well the value areas worked on the monthly value areas and even the yearly value areas. The yearly value area is telling us that we're heading in TLT down to the 108 level and a bit lower still for the month of June. So I hope that helps. A little preview of what the market webs can do for you, but these signals are really, really nice. And one thing that the comments I get all the time are how reliable the support and resistance lines outside of value always are, and that's a proprietary formula for how those work. So I hope this helps, and I wish you all great trading.